Leegoal Crystal Hollow Out Engraving Peacock Hair Pins Bronze and Blue. It's very pretty. My first thought when I opened the package was, wow, this is pretty. It is more dark blue than what it shows in the picture. I can't wait to wear it tomorrow. I ordered it on the 11th and received it on the 22nd. So it came a lot sooner than expected. Splendid Set Kit of Weddings Proms Balls. Enthralling hair jewelry set of 12 silver-colored spirals with flower-shaped decorations studded with crystals. These charming VAGA hair spirals were designed to make you feel gorgeous for very special occasion as well as to add romantic touch to your everyday's hairdos. Unicra Wedding Hair Pins for Bride. These hair pins were absolutely perfect for my wedding day. During my trial, my makeup artist recommended getting hair pins to bring out and add a little bit more texture to my hairstyle. I bought these the week before my wedding and they ended up looking great with my updo and against my dark hair. We decided to just use 2 in my hair since having all 3 seemed to be a little excessive. These hair pins were so inexpensive in comparison to other bridal hair pins and totally worth the cost. I definitely recommend these for a bride on her big day. Crinkled Hairpin Variety 4-pack, Amish-made heavy-duty stainless. I love these hairpins. They work effortlessly without worries about breaking during use, rusting, bending easily, tearing hair, etc. I have tried Goody brand before and these Amish crinkled type top Goody brand in hairpins. I recommend purchasing these over any Goody brand hairpins any day. I can put my hair up in a bun in the morning, using 2 of the same pins day after day all day long without worries and fiddling too much with my hair, and I can forget it until bedtime preparation, so cozy. In fact, I often unintentionally forget about it and can wear them through the night and the pins are just as good to use the next day as they were the day before. They will even keep my hair to stay put through intense workouts. Happy customer. Would totally buy again. If you bought Goody brand in the past and were not satisfied, it's worth waiting and saving your money to spend towards these. Pearls and Crystal Flower Wedding Bridal Hair Pins Clips. I am very impressed with these pearls and crystal flower hair pins. They are very pretty and have so many uses. I use them in my hair on a regular basis to make it look a little extra fancy from time to time. I got these to wear in my sister's wedding, but I like them so much I will also use them in my hair when I get married. The gems are sparkly and the pearls are classy. It is a win-win in style, fun and classy. Disclaimer: I received this product at a discount price or for free in exchange for my honest opinion. I choose products I review by going with what I need or I think I would like. I know how important these product reviews are, as when I purchase items I rely heavily on reviews when I make my purchases. I think it is important to report the flaws of a product as well as its positives aspects. Thank you for taking the time to read my review. If you found this review helpful or liked it in any way, please vote yes. Thank you.